welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm bringing you a special surprise. It's the traditional Mexican chicken soup. This recipe was kept in my family for years and my grandmother Yaya just gave it to me. Okay, now I'm going to tell you all the fresh ingredients you need to prepare the traditional Mexican soup. First, the fresh chicken you need and some potatoes. Then you need some piece of garlic. Here, half of white onion. So, a little pieces of carrots. Then some grain salt and coriander. After, water. Put all the ingredients on the bowl. Okay, first put 8 cups of water in the bowl. Come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. Next, turn off the stove. After that, put the chicken in the bowl. Then the half of onion, so the garlic. After, leave it for about 30 minutes in a high flame. Okay, after 30 minutes, put the carrot and the grain salt in the bowl and put down a flame. Okay? The carrot and the grain salt. On the flame. Finally, put the potatoes and coriander. To the end of my video, we serve a delicious chicken soup. And just have to add lemon drops. Let's enjoy. This is Danny Chef. See you next edition.